Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we are on lot number 29, which is a Suzuki Bara 50 in red, which is in absolutely immaculate condition. Price is 1340 or €50. It is a 1984 bike with only just over 2,000 miles on the clock. Condition wise, there's not going to be too much to run through here. You do have some marks on this front shocks here. Tires in good condition. Front mudguard is in excellent condition. Also, floors in very good condition, and the plastic is. Front plastics also very nice, as well as the odometer area. Rear of the bike also very nice. Some corrosion around the belt here, around the kickstart. Do have a slight scrape here also around the rear. Lovely white seat on our white leather seat. On to the right hand side now, we have the seat itself, the actual center plastics here, exhaust all very good condition, rear tire in perfect condition as well, center console or center area where your feet lie, all very good. Plastics around here, all very nice. Some slight signs of the pitting or discoloring on the front here, like we said, and again on the front alloy here. Oh, sorry. Again, we are going to be taking a €150 deposits on these bikes for securing the bike before arrival in September. 1350 is the total. So if you have liked the video, please do like, comment down below what you think of the bike, and finally, if you haven't subscribed already, it would be great if you could subscribe now.